Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. You're watching Tech. So today in this video we are going to show you how you can install the most popular sound mod for rooted devices, that is Viper for Android on any Android 13 custom ROMs and especially for OxygenOS 13. It may or may not work for other devices, but you can try and let us know in the comment section is it working for you or not with your device name. I am using the Android 13 based pixys OS on my Nothing Phone 1, so I tried this mod and it's working without flashing any kind of audio modification library or any kind of other tweaks. Current mod also tested on OnePlus 8 Pro OxygenOS 13 rooted device and it's working there. Other OnePlus devices with the OxygenOS 13, please try it and please confirm. You just need the rooted device with the latest magisk version about 25 installed on your phone. You need to download the zip file given under the video description, which has viper4android modules to flash, but this file is password protected. I have given the password of that file at the end of the video. So watch the video till the end. Now without further ado, let's get started. First, we will use this mod on the other Android 13 custom ROMs. I will first try this on Nothing Phone 1 with the pixys OS Android 13 custom ROM. Download the module zip from the link given under the video description. Unzip that using the password, it is given at the end of the video. You will get the two zips again. One is Viper for OxygenOS and another one is Viper for Android FX. If you are using any other device except OnePlus without OxygenOS firmware, then open the magisk application. You need the latest magisk version about 25. Go to the model section there, search for the Viper for Android FX zip that we extracted previously. Now tap install. Once flashing gets done, reboot the phone. Once phone boots back, we get the new Viper for Android application under app drawer. Open it, it will not ask for any driver installation. Under gear icon setting, we can see legacy mode is already activated. First enable the toggle master limiter. Now if you tap on the Viper for Android status, it's showing v4a version as 2.5, new on and processing status showing active. Means for speaker our mod is working. For speaker we didn't get too much controls for the sound tuning, but we get the volume level gain using the playback control. Fire equalizer is also one of the settings that helps to tune the sound as per our requirement. And another one is speaker optimization to improve the sound quality of your speakers. These three are main settings. Along with that, some other settings are also there. Now let's connect the Bluetooth device and we will test it is working properly or not. If you check the v4s status, everything is okay, but for processing it's showing no. So enable the master limiter toggle and after that it will show you the processing status as yes. For Bluetooth devices, you get the bunch of the sound tuning options like the Viper DDC, spectrum extension with its strength control. Fire equalizer has some of presets already available in the setting. Field surround effect, differential surround, headphone surround plus and reverb are some of the tunables that helps to deliver the best level of sound quality to your device. Except these other options of settings are available, so you can check them yourself and tune your device as per your requirement. Now let's check out how OxygenOS 13 users can activate this module. You have to first install the Viper for Android FX module that we previously flashed in the first section of the video. Now if you open the Viper for Android application, it will ask for the root access, give it. Now it will show you the driver not installed like error. Now at this step, don't tap on the OK button. Go to the magisk application under the module section. Here we can see our first Viper for Android FX module is already active. Now again flash another module available under the extracted zip, that is Viper for OxygenOS. Now reboot the phone. Now open the Viper for Android application. It should work properly without any requirement of drivers. You can check your status of v4a as we already shown previously. This module should work for all the Android custom ROMs and other devices. But if you are using the OxygenOS 13, then follow the timestamp of the video that's showing the Viper for Android activation for OxygenOS 13. Here is a password for zip file. Hope you guys like my work. Then please do like and share this video. Subscribe our channel for amazing mods like this for your Android device. Press the bell icon for the notifications of our upcoming content. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.